is Flex the Ninja, and this is how we produced Air for Jordan Moozy. So yeah, initially the song, he came up with the idea, he wrote the song on his guitar. The first session kind of came out like sounding like original or just the guitar. And then a friend of ours by the name of Tashinga played the piano additions on the song. So initially this is what it sounded like. We then had another session earlier this year, because the time when we started making it was around COVID time, so I think we were still in like a rut, like, you know, like, to me the song didn't sound the way I think it needed to sound. So we had a session after that, and I came up with these drums. The drums are so essentially it's the same drum groove, but it's all being done digitally instead of with the live, so that I can control it better. So that's like, I think it's almost Kwaito in the realm of Kwaito's Gugu, because that's normally what I make, or that's what I'm trying to push forward in the realm of being an African producer. Then we re-recorded the keys with Tashinga. This is what he added. I placed this bass line underneath the chords that Tashinga played. So and then we have a section in the song where he's talking about needing air. So I felt like maybe to describe that, we added the airiest, like the most spacious sounds we could find. We just need air. We just need air. We just need air. Underneath there's like a log drum that's been drenched in reverb. So instead of having the log drum just hit, it's drenched in reverb because it's also in the air. So all the instruments in this section are in the air basically. So even the drums are underneath. Last thing that kind of like brought it all together was having Sandy play like a guitar solo, but instead of having it as the focus, we also still buried that sound. So Flex the Ninja, and that's a wrap.
I guess we found a key, baby. Take a little communicating. We're finally done debating. Tonight I'm feeling too wavy. Elementary, baby. Let's kick it back to basics. Can't let them burn down, but we together build.